We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Alright guys, Cora and I, we're at the Siam Paragon Mall in Thailand. So since this is a huge mall, we've decided to start from the top and work our way down. Alright guys, so on the top floor of this mall, of course they got a movie theater and some restaurants, sushi restaurants, Starbucks, just McDonald's, of course. All right, guys, I stand corrected. It's 5 floors on this mall. So now we are on the 4th floor. Just looking around. Yeah, this 4th floor, there are a lot of digital stuff. We just passed some type of art show that is about 400 baht. That's for 2 people because basically it's buy one, get one free. So we may go back and check that out. But it looks like the 4th floor is just enamored with a lot of electronics everywhere you go. So, yeah.
Let me see right here. I think this is
We'll keep looking.
pedicure spa or something.
We'll see. I don't know what that is. It's like a coffee shop and a lounge. Pretty nice. Oh, this is like a food court here.
Ireland original.
Really nice. Everything written in Thai.
The whole cut is
Cup B. Cup B. We'll come back. So if you want some ice cream, those are the flavors at Cup B on the 4th floor. Alright, here's the directory in this mall here, of course. A lot of stuff. 5 all the way down. Ooh, there's more. Pretty nice mall, guys. And this floor has automobiles.
oh, that's what I like. The
Mini Cooper.
Yes. Let's look how
Yeah,
much it is.
this floor is kind of dedicated more to like spas, cosmetics. What else? More like just kind of pampering family lifestyle floor. But there's a lot to it, man. Nice mall. She wants to look at the Mini Cooper.
This is mine. It's blue again.
Blue. You and your blue cars.
See, there's thing on a roof.
She wants a Mini Cooper in the Philippines. I don't know why, but that's what she wants. Maybe.
All the main brand of Prada.
Moving down to the 1st floor. Let's see. Okay.
This is not first floor. This is second floor.
Oh, what? Oh. Okay,
No,
guys.
hold on. You're right, probably. It's
Oh, I
number right
must.
there.
I thought it is first floor, but now there's another floor down below. I'm confused, guy. Just come to the mall if you want to. It's a big mall. All right, guys, on the first floor, man. Let's see. They got a Louis Vuitton store here. They got Hermes. They got Fendi, Dior. So they got all the high-end stores, all Prada. Got a lot of high-end stores down here on that floor. Lamire, Cartier, excuse me, Bottega Veneta, if I'm pronouncing all those things correct. But
On that door.
yeah, it's nice.
I want to take a picture. I don't want to be look like stupid.
Well, you will, because these are for kids.
I have to take a picture of myself. Thumbnail.
Just act sass in the Philippines.